Ow. Alright guys, it's the day. I'm filming this video while I'm still in the process of reassembling everything from the oil cooler video. My freaking catalytic converter clamp just broke on me, so I'm getting another one of those picked up. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to replace these heater core lines. Got the top one that runs right here, down here to the reservoir. Try not to crack your reservoir, they do crack. That's one on its own, and we got the other one that is, okay, I'm sorry. So the one that's on the bottom runs here to the right up to the reservoir, and then runs around the backside over here to the water pump. Right there. You can kind of see the clamp right there. That's got a little clip that holds it back here, and there's a clip that holds it right there. And that snaps on the back, and then you have this top line that just runs over here. Look over. Runs here, kind of down into that same little clamp that holds the one that goes to the reservoir, and right up here to the back of the outlet T. Right, oh, get out of the way. Right there. Okay. So, obviously I can't really tuck this in here too much. So I'm going to first show you the part numbers. I'm going to set you up and just run through it as I do it. Okay, so here's the part number for the long squiggly. The bottom one, the return hose, I guess is what it is. Is that part number there, as you can see. And these, to get them off, they just have this little clamp. You just put a little pick or a screwdriver underneath it, pull it down, and it should pop out. That, and then the upper hose, the feed hose, is this one, heater hose, because it didn't have the GM hose in stock. Again, Rock Auto. All right, I will get this camera kind of set up and just kind of do my best to start popping these things off. And take out the charge pipe just to get a little more room on this side. Coolant reservoir broke. Let me get another one of those coming. Okay, I have a new reservoir coming as well to be picked up. And hey GM, I hope you get a bunch of plastic dildos rammed up your ass for using all these plastic parts that just break non-stop. Anyways, back to work. That just pops right off, so that's not bad. But I haven't pulled this off before, but there is a little, oh, here I am. There's a little notch right there, and there's an indent on the actual heater core. So you know you have it lined up. When you push it down, it kind of locks in. You can't rotate anymore. That's how I tell it's lined up. That's on there. There's the part number for the reservoir. Just slides in there and locks on. I can't tell if you can see anything. Honestly, I don't know, and I don't care at this moment. This has a T right here. Kind of goes down in. You push up against the battery, push it down, slide it over, and then this locks, and then there's a metal clamp that goes over this, holds it in. There's a clamp. Slide down the other side. Oh, you should say, much like the the radiator hoses on this car that I already swapped out, the inside of these were torn, falling apart as well. Okay, that's how you change out those hoses. It's far more frustrating in this video because I'm adding this on to doing everything else and shit's breaking. So if I come across a little rash in this video, that's fucking life. All right, so anyways, that's how you change out those two heater lines. If you're changing out other lines, just change every damn line at once. If you're changing the lines to turbo, change the oil cooler, change all your coolant lines, change everything at one goddamn time so you can just move on with your life, because this is just non-stop, never ending. Okay, all right guys, that'll do it for today. Like, comment, subscribe. Hope you guys have, I don't know when this video is coming out, hope you guys had Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, whatever other holiday is celebrated around this time. I hope you guys enjoyed it, spent time with family or by yourself, because sometimes family can suck. Up to you. All right guys, I will see you guys next time. Take it easy.